You know what's crazy? Most people lose money in the stock market. Not because the market is bad,
Then what's the real reason?
they simply pick the wrong stock.
That's actually something beginners struggle with a lot. How do you even know whether a stock is good or not?
Exactly. And if you've ever asked that question, this video is for you.
Today, we're going to show you how to identify a good stock using simple, common sense logic.
No complicated terms, no confusion, just the basics that actually matter.
Let's start with the most important thing. A good stock must have a strong business behind it.
And this part is really simple. Ask yourself one question. Is this company actually solving a real problem for people?
A great example is Tata Motors
They noticed the growing demand for affordable electric vehicles.
and responded with EVs that offer good build quality at reasonable prices.
That's why you see them everywhere now.
When a company solves a real problem, people buy its products. That's how businesses grow.
All right, strong business makes sense. What's next?
Next, you look at profits. Are they growing consistently over time?
And you can check that in the income statement, right?
Exactly. If revenue and profits are increasing year after year, it's a sign of a healthy business.
So sooner or later, a good company's strength shows up in the numbers.
Now, let's talk about demand and supply.
This is where stock prices actually move.
If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up.
And strong demand usually comes from strong businesses and positive future expectations. So once you understand these basics,
You're ready to take things one step further. There are two main ways to analyze a stock,
fundamental analysis,
which focuses on the business, profits, and future growth,
and technical analysis.
where you study charts, trends, and price movement.
Most smart investors actually use a mix of both.
If this video helped you understand stock selection a bit better,
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
and let us know in the comments.
Do you want a deep dive into technical analysis or fundamental analysis?
We'll see you in the next one.